Hello everyone, welcome back. In this section, we're going to talk about sets. What are sets in Python? Sets are collection of unique elements in Python. They are mutable, but their elements must be immutable. Let me illustrate this concept with an example. Here I'm declaring a set. The set has three elements, 1, 2, and 3. So the set itself is mutable, meaning that I can add an element to it or I can remove one element from it. And when I print my set here, the set was originally 1, 2, 3. I added 4, then I removed 2, so the set will have 1, 3, and 4. These three elements. So it shows that the sets are mutable, so they are modifiable, let's say, in other words. However, the elements of our sets must be immutable. What do we mean by that? So a valid set, for example, is like this. We have one element called hello, one element is 1, and we have a tuple to be one element of this set. So a tuple is inside this set. And it is possible. Why? Because we learned in the previous sections that tuples are immutables. So when we are declaring a tuple, we cannot change its element. This is why they are allowed to be part of a set. However, this set would be invalid. Why? Because one element of this set is a list. So a list is inside this set and it is declared to be one element of our set. But we will have a problem with that because lists are modifiable. So they cannot be a part of a set if they are modifiable, because we mentioned that sets themselves are modifiable or they are mutable, but their elements must be immutable. And because here we are having one element as a list, here it will have errors because this element, that a list is now an element of our set and that element is modifiable. Therefore, there will be a problem. So we cannot integrate lists inside sets. And sets are generally useful for storing and performing operations on unique data. And one of their key features is that they do not allow duplicate elements. Let me illustrate the differences between sets, lists, and tuples that we learned so far. So sets and lists are mutable. So it means that we can add one element or remove one element from them. However, tuples are immutable. It means that they cannot change after they are created. This is why tuples can be one element of a set, but lists, because they are modifiable, cannot be one element of a set. Regarding the duplicates, sets do not allow duplicate values. However, lists and tuples, it's okay for them to have duplicate values as their elements. Regarding the usage, for unique elements, sets are for unique elements and they are fast membership testing and are very good for mathematical set operations. Lists are usually practical for dynamic collections of elements that frequently change, as we learned in previous sections. And for the tuples are very good. These are very good for fixed collections of elements that should not change. And with respect to the syntax to declare them or to create them, if we want to create a set, we need to define them with curly braces or use the set function here, like empty parentheses. To define list, we learned that we are going to use square brackets, and to declare a tuple, we learned that we are going to declare them using parentheses. In the following videos, we are going to talk about different concepts of sets, and we are going to provide a lot of coding exercises so we get familiar in this section with sets in Python. Thank you for watching.